everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm happy to introduce you to another oldie but goodie, the Brooklyn handbag by Swoon Patterns. This bag is adorable. I don't know why it took me so long to make one of these, but I tell you, it was just such a fun make. Let me show you some of the features of this bag. So this is the small one. There is a traveler size as well. The small is a great small to medium size handbag. It has these decorative swivel clasps, which give it its unique shape, how it kind of squares itself off. It has purse feet. I have this one done with a double zipper closure. The inside is a cute little one. We have a decorative zipper pocket on one side and it's just plain on the other. It's pretty roomy for a small bag. This one does not have a crossbody strap. One could be added, but I did not like myself the look of it with the crossbody strap. I think it's just perfect just as a handbag or a shoulder bag. What else about this? It can be made in cottons, it can be made in vinyls, it can be made in leathers, it can be made in canvases, it can be made in whatever textiles you like. If you're one of my customers and you would like to order one of these, you know what to do. All that information is down below in the description. And if you're part of my bag makers community, there is a tutorial on this one. We're actually making this one for the Thursday classes in November 2022. So for those of you who are in that class, the tutorial is up now, or it will be shortly. And for everybody else on the public side of the channel, it will be released at the end of the month when classes are over for everybody to enjoy. It's just such a great make and such an adorable little bag. So yeah, until the next one, I'll catch you guys later. Bye.